Good morning to all of you. Today in this video lecture we will discuss The Duchess of Malfi by John Webster. The Duchess of Malfi is a dark and powerful tragedy written by John Webster, one of the most prominent dramatists of the Jacobean era. The play was first performed around 1614 and published in 1623. It is based on the real events from Italian history, particularly the life of Giovanna of Giovanna the Aragona, Duchess of Amalfi. The play explores themes of power, corruption, gender politics, madness, revenge, and the resilience of human dignity in the face of tyranny. The story centers on the Duchess, a young widow who secretly marries her steward, Antonio. Her two cruel brothers, Ferdinand and the Cardinal, driven by pride and control, seek to destroy her for this defiance of their authority. Webster masterfully weaves Gothic horror, intense psychological drama, and poetic language to deliver play that is both terrifying and moving. The Duchess stands as one of the most memorable heroines in English drama, known for her courage, grace, and unwavering sense of self. Now we discuss about John Webster. John Webster was an English dramatist best known for his two great tragedies, The Duchess of Malfi and The White Devil. While during the early 17th century, Webster was a contemporary of Shakespeare and a part of the Jacobean theatrical tradition. His plays are characterized by their dark themes, complex characters, poetic dialogue, and vivid portrayal of violence and corruption. Unlike many of his contemporaries, Webster delved deeply into the psychological motivation of his characters, particularly the inner strength and tragic fate of women. Though not as widely known during his lifetime, Webster's reputation has grown significantly, and he is now considered one of the greatest playwrights of English Renaissance. Now we will discuss the plot summary in English. The play tells the story of a young widow, the Duchess, who defies the wishes of her powerful brothers, Ferdinand and the Cardinal, by secretly marrying her steward, Antonio. Her brother, driven by pride, control, and possibly incestuous obsession, are engaged by her defiance. As the Duchess tries to live a happy life with Antonio and their children, her brothers set out to punish her. Ferdinand, in particular, becomes increasingly violent and mentally unstable. The Duchess is eventually captured, tortured, and executed on her brother's orders. The play ends in a bloody climax. Ferdinand goes mad, the cardinal is killed, and Antonio is also murdered. However, the Duchess's young son survives, offering a glimmer of hope and justice. The play explores theme of power, corruption, gender oppression, revenge, and the resilience of human spirit. Now we deal with the story in हिंदी. द डचेस ऑफ माल्फी जॉन वेबस्टर द्वारा लिखित एक ट्रेजेडी नाटक है जो 17th सेंचुरी की शुरुआत में लिखा गया। यह नाटक माल्फी की एक विडो डचेस की कहानी है जो अपने सशक्त और क्रूर भाइयों फर्डिनेंड और कार्डिनल की इच्छा के विरुद्ध जाकर अपने सचिव एंटोनियो से गुप्त विवाह कर लेती है। उसके भाई जो अहंकार, सत्ता और विकृत लगाव से ग्रस्त हैं, उनकी अवज्ञा से क्रोधित हो जाती हैं। डचेस अपने पति और बच्चों के साथ शांतिपूर्ण जीवन जीना चाहती है, लेकिन उसके भाई उसे दंडित करने के लिए षड्यंत्र रचते हैं। फर्डिनेंड मानसिक रूप से अस्थिर हो जाता है और अंततः डचेस को बंदी बनाकर प्रताड़ित करता है और उसकी हत्या करवा देता है। नाटक का अंत एक अत्यंत दुखद होता है। फर्डिनेंड पागल हो जाता है, कार्डिनल की हत्या हो जाती है और एंटोनियो भी मारा जाता है, लेकिन डचेस का छोटा बेटा जीवित रह जाता है, जो न्याय और आशा के किरण प्रस्तुत करता है। यह नाटक सत्ता, भ्रष्टाचार, स्त्री उत्पीड़न, प्रतिशोध और मानवीय आत्मा की दृढ़ता जैसे विषयों की पड़ताल करता है। Now we deal with the multiple choice question on the Duchess of Malfi. Question number 1. Who is the author of the Duchess of Malfi? Options are A. William Shakespeare, B. John Webster, C. Ben Jonson, D. Christopher Marlowe. Right answer is B. John Webster. Next question. What is the genre of the Duchess of Malfi? A. Comedy, B. Romance, C. Tragedy, D. History. Right answer is C. Tragedy. Next, who is the titular character of the play? Options are A. Julia, B. Duchess, C. Cariola, D. Isabella. Right answer is the Duchess. Next is what reason is Ferdinand? What relation is Ferdinand to the Duchess? Husband, brother, cousin, friend. Right answer is B. Brother. What poison does Antonio hold at the Duchess's court? A. Soldier, B. Steward, C. What position does Antonio hold at the Duchess's court? A. Soldier, B. Steward, C. Duke, D. Priest. Right answer is B. Steward. Antonio was the priest at the Duchess's court. Next question. Whom does the Duchess secretly marry? A. Bosola, B. Ferdinand, C. Antonio, D. Cardinal. Right answer is C. Cardinal. Next question. Why do the Duchess's brother oppose her remarriage? For political reason, because they dislike Antonio. C. To control her wealth. D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next, who is Bosola? A court fool, a doctor, a spy and a murderer, or a nobleman? Right answer is C. A spy and a murderer. Next is what is the cardinal's relationship to the duchess? A. Her husband, B. Uncle, C. Brother, D. Son. Right answer is her brother. Next, what theme is not central to the play? A. Corruption, B. Forbidden love, C. Nature versus nurture, D. Revenge. Right answer is C. Nature versus nurture. Next, which character gradually descends into madness? A. Bosola, B. Antonio, C. Cardinal, D. Ferdinand. Right answer is Ferdinand. Next is what is Cariola's role in the play? A. Duchess's sister, B. Duchess's maid, C. Duchess's enemy, D. Duchess's nurse. Right answer is B. Duchess's maid. Next, where is the play primarily set? England, Rome, Malfi, Naples. Right answer is C. Malfi. Which symbol is repeatedly used to convey decay and corruption? A. Roses, B. Shadows, C. Poison, D. Dead bodies. Right answer is C. Poison. Next, how does the Duchess die? A. Poison, B. Stabbed, C. Strangled, D. Burnt. Right answer is C. Strangled. Next, what happens to Antonio? He flees to France, he becomes Duke, he is accidentally killed, or he marries again. Right answer is C. He is accidentally killed. Next is what crime does Bosola regret? A. Spying on the Duchess, B. Killing Antonio, C. Murdering the Duchess, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Killing, spying, and murdering the Duchess. Next, who killed the Cardinal? A. Ferdinand, B. Bosola, C. Antonio, D. Duchess. Right answer is B. Bosola. 19th question. How does Ferdinand die? By Bosola's hand, suicide, poison, in war. Right answer is A. By Bosola's hand. Next, what does the survival of the Duchess's son symbolize? A. Revenge, B. Eternal suffering, C. Hope and justice, D. Political stability. Right answer is C. Hope and justice. Next, what is the full name of the play's author? A. John Milton Webster, B. John Henry Webster, C. John Webster, D. Jonathan Webster. Right answer is C. John Webster. In which literary period was the Duchess of Malfi written? A. Romantic, B. Elizabethan, C. Jacobean, D. Victorian. Right answer is C. Jacobean. Next, who says, cover her face, mine eyes dazzle, she died young? A. Cardinal, B. Ferdinand, C. Antonio, D. Bosola. Right answer is B. Ferdinand. Which character can be considered a Machiavellian villain? A. Bosola, B. Ferdinand, C. Cardinal, D. Antonio. Right answer is the Cardinal. Next is Bosola initially works as a spy for whom? A. Duchess, B. Ferdinand, C. Antonio, D. Julia. Right answer is B. Ferdinand. Next is Julia is the mistress of which character? A. Antonio, B. Ferdinand, C. Bosola, D. The Cardinal. Right answer is D. The Cardinal. Next, how many children does the Duchess have with Antonio? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right answer is C. 3. Which character tries to warn Antonio of danger? A. Cariola, B. Julia, C. Bosola, D. Ferdinand. Right answer is C. Bosola. Next, what is Bosola's role by the end of the play? A. Silent observer, B. Tragic avenger, C. Comic relief, D. Kingmaker. Right answer is B. Tragic avenger. Next, what motivates Bosola's change of heart? A. Remorse, B. Money, C. Political gain, D. Love. Right answer is A. Remorse. Next is, what is the dominant feature of Webster's writing in this play? A. Blank verse, B. Prose, C. Grotesque imagery and dark tone, D. Comic interludes. Right answer is C. Grotesque imagery and dark tone. Next, the Duchess's marriage to Antonio represents A. Blind passion, B. A political alliance, C. A change to patriarchal norms, D. A religious ritual. Right answer is C. A challenge to patriarchal norm. Next, who provide comic relief in the play? A. Bosola, B. Cariola, C. Delio, D. None. The play is largely tragic and dark. Right answer is D. The play is largely tragic and dark. Next one is Ferdinand shows symptoms of which psychological condition? A. Lycanthropy, B. Amnesia, C. Schizophrenia, D. Bipolar disease. Right answer is A. Lycanthropy. Next one, how is the theme of surveillance shown in the play? A. Through Bosola's spying, B. Through magical devices, C. Through confession, D. Through gossip. Right answer is A. Through Bosola spying. Next, who survives at the end of the play? A. Cardinal, B. Ferdinand, C. Antonio, D. The Duchess' eldest son. Right answer is D. The Duchess's eldest son. Next question, what role does Delio play in the narrative? A. Spy for Ferdinand, B. Loyal friend to Antonio, C. Lover of the Duchess, D. Priest. Right answer is B. Loyal friend to Antonio. Next one is, what drives the cardinal's action in the play? A. Religious conviction, B. Lust and political power, C. Guilt, D. Love for Julia. Right answer is B. Lust and political power. Next, which character kills Julia? A. Bosola, B. Antonio, C. Cardinal, D. Ferdinand. Right answer is C. Cardinal. Next is, what is the fate of Bosola? He is promoted. B. He flees the country. C. He is killed. D. He becomes king. Right answer is C. He is killed. Next 41 question. Which character delivers the final lines of the play? A. Bosola, B. Delio, C. Antonio's son, D. The Cardinal. Right answer is B. Delio. Next is, what kind of character is Bosola primarily? A. Hero, B. Villain, C. Malcontent, D. Clown. Right answer is C. Malcontent. Next is, Which poetic device is often found in the play's imagery? A. Personification, B. Simile, C. Metaphor, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next, which literary technique is most associated with Webster's styles in the play? A. Allegory, B. Symbolism and grotesque realism, C. Farce, D. Magical realism. Right answer is B. Symbolism and grotesque realism. Next one is the theme of madness is primarily exposed through which character? A. Duchess, B. Cardinal, C. Ferdinand, D. Antonio. Right answer is C. Ferdinand. Next, Ferdinand gives the Duchess a dead man's hand as a curse, wedding gift, symbol of his anger. D. A cruel trick. Right answer is D. A cruel trick. Next is how is the Duchess's strength of character best revealed? A. Her refusal to confess. B. Her calmness before death. C. Her devotion to Antonio. D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next, which character is most associated with corruption in religion? A. Antonio. B. Cardinal. C. Bossola. D. Ferdinand. Right answer is B. The Cardinal. Next, the Duchess's second marriage was kept secret for A. Social and political safety, B. Religious reason, C. Financial gain, D. A promise to her mother. Right answer is A. Social and political safety. Next one is which two characters does Bossola kill near the end? A. Cardinal and Ferdinand, B. Ferdinand and Antonio, C. Cardinal and Antonio. D. Julia and Antonio. Right answer is C. The Cardinal and Antonio. Next one is Julia dies after being forced to A. Drink poison. B. Stab herself. C. Confesses her sin. D. Swear loyalty to the Duchess. Right answer is A. Drink poison. Next question. Which role does Delio take on at the end of the play? A. Spy. B. Judge. C. Political restorer. D. Avenger. Right answer is C. Political restorer. Next is the Duchess's defiance of her brothers reflect A. Love and passion, B. Pessimist resistance to patriarchal control, C. Immaturity, D. Naivety. Right answer is B. Feminist resistance to patriarchal control. Next question 54. Bossola's occupation before entering the court was A. Soldier in the galley, B. A merchant, C. A school teacher, D. A friar. Right answer is A. A soldier in the galleys. Next question. Which animal metaphor is used to describe Ferdinand's madness? A. Wolf, B. Dog, C. Snake, D. Raven. Right answer is A. Wolf. Next. What does Bossola use to kill the cardinal? A. Dagger, B. Poison, C. Gun, D. Rope. Right answer is A. Dagger. Next, the play was first performed in which year? 1604, 1613 to 14, 1623 or 1589. Right answer is B. 1613 to 1614. Next, the play critiques the institution of A. Marriage, B. Monarchy, C. The church, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next, who is responsible for carrying out most of the physical violence in the play? A. Ferdinand, B. Bossola, C. Antonio, D. Cardinal. Answer is B. Bossola. Next, which character changes from villain to tragic instrument of justice? A. Delio, B. Ferdinand, C. Bossola, D. Julia. Right answer is C. Bossola. Next, what do the Duchess's brother want to do after becoming a widow? A. Remarry a nobleman. B. Join a convent. C. Remain unmarried. D. Leave Malfi. Right answer is remain unmarried. Next, who is the most morally upright male character in the play? A. Ferdinand, B. Cardinal, C. Antonio, D. Bossola. Right answer is C. Antonio. Next question. The cardinal is portrayed as a symbol of A. Mercy, B. Religious hypocrisy, C. Honesty, D. Justice. Right answer is B. Religious hypocrisy. Next one is 64. The use of skulls, darkness, and madness in the play exemplifies A. Romanticism, B. Neoclassicism, C. Gothic elements, D. Realism. Right answer is C. Gothic elements. Next, Antonio is killed by A. Cardinal, B. Ferdinand, C. Bossola, D. Assassins. Right answer is C. Bossola. Next, which character says, "I'm Duchess of Malfi still"? A. Julia, B. Cariola, C. Duchess, D. Delio. Right answer is C. The Duchess. Next, the play ends on a note of A. Complete despair, B. Hope and restoration, C. Comedy and reconciliation, D. Religious salvation. Right answer is B. Hope and restoration. Next is the Duchess's death is meant to evoke A. Pity and admiration, B. Honor and anger, C. Indifference, D. Comic relief. Right answer is A. Pity and admiration. Next question. Which character is mostly directly responsible for the Duchess's death? A. Cardinal, B. Ferdinand, C. Antonio, D. Bossola. Right answer is D. Bossola. Next is the children of the Duchess and Antonio are A. Killed, B. Adopted by Delia, C. Banished, D. Left in hiding. Right answer is D. Left in hiding. Next, what role does Cariola play during the Duchess's murder scene? A. She fights back. B. She screams and pleads. C. She runs away. D. She poisons herself. Right answer is B. She screams and pleads. Next, the cardinal uses Julia as A. Confident, B. A spy, C. A puppet for personal pleasure and secrecy, D. A political ally. Right answer is C. A puppet for personal pleasure and secrecy. Next question. The line integrity of life is fame's best friend reflects. Integrity of life is fame's best friend. A. Political ambition. B. Moral virtue. C. Social deception. D. Tragic irony. Right answer is B. Moral virtue. Next question. Bossola's dual role in the play reflects the theme of A. Gender politics. B. Loyalty and betrayal. C. Science and faith. D. Comedy and tragedy. Right answer is B. Loyalty and betrayal. Next question. Which element is least present in the play? A. Revenge. B. Comedy. C. Tragedy. D. Darkness. Right answer is which element is least present? Least is comedy. Next is which of the following is the dominant theme of the play? A. Supernatural intervention. B. Moral hypocrisy. C. Social mobility through wealth. D. Child parent relationship. Right answer is B. Moral hypocrisy. Next, the Duchess chooses Antonio over nobility because A. He is wealthy. B. He truly loves him. C. She wants to make her brother angry. D. She seeks revenge. Right answer is B. She truly loves him. Next question. The play is known for its A. Minimalist staging. B. Overuse of comedy. C. Violent and dark imagery. D. Religious preachings. Right answer is C. Violent and dark imagery. Next question is the cardinal and Ferdinand represent A. Divine justice, B. Corrupt authority, C. Misunderstood leaders, D. Victim of society. Right answer is B. Corrupt authority. Next question. John Webster's The Duchess of Malfi is an example of A. Jacobean revenge tragedy, B. Shakespearean comedy, C. Classical epic, D. Victorian melodrama. Right answer is A. Jacobean revenge tragedy. Next question. Who disguises himself as an old man to spy on the Duchess? A. Cardinal, B. Ferdinand, C. Bossola, D. Delio. Right answer is C. Bossola. Next one is the Duchess is imprisoned in A. Convent, B. Castle, C. Palace, D. Dungeon. Right answer is D. A dungeon. Dungeon means Kalkotri. Next one is Ferdinand becomes mentally unstable after A. Seeing his sister dead, B. Killing Antonio, C. Losing his political power, D. Julia's betrayal. Right answer is A. Seeing his sister dead. Next one is which character tries to maintain justice in the play at the end? A. Bosola, B. Ferdinand, C. Delio, D. Antonio. Right answer is C. Delio. Next, 85th question. What object is used to fake the Duchess's death before her actual murder? A. A wax figure, B. A bloody cloth, C. A mirror, D. A poisoned ring. Right answer is A. A wax figure. Next, the play was originally published in 1604 or 1623, 1614, 1616. The play was originally published in 1623. Next question. Which character represents the conflict between conscience and duty? A. Ferdinand, B. Antonio, C. Bosola, D. Delio. Right answer is C. Bosola. Next one is Bosola kills Antonio by options are A. Poisoning him, B. Mistake in the dark, C. Stabbing him during a duel, D. Hiring assassins. Right answer is B. Mistake in the dark. 89th question. Antonio and the Duchess marry in A. Secret ceremony, B. Rome, C. Church of Malfi, D. The Duchess's bedchamber. Right answer is A. Secret ceremony. 90th question. Ferdinand suffers from which psychological disorder? A. Obsessive love, B. Lycanthropy, C. Depression, D. Bipolar disorder. Right answer is B. Lycanthropy. Next one is which of these character is alive at the end of the play? A. The Cardinal, B. Bosola, C. Duchess, D. Delio. Right answer is D. Delio. Next is the line cover her face, mine eyes dazzle, she died young is spoken by A. Antonio, B. Cardinal, C. Ferdinand, D. Bosola. Right answer is C. Ferdinand. Next one is what is the Duchess's primary tragic flaw? A. Ambition, B. Vanity, C. Love and independence, D. Cruelty. Right answer is C. Love and independence. Next one is which character says whether we fall by ambition, blood, or lust like diamonds, we are cut with our own dust. A. Antonio, B. Bosola, C. Ferdinand, D. Delio. Right answer is B. Bosola. Next is Bosola initially works for A. Duchess, B. Antonio, C. Ferdinand and Cardinal, D. Delio. Right answer is C. Ferdinand and Cardinal. Next is the overall tone of play is A. Comic, B. Optimistic, C. Dark and tragic, D. Satirical. Right answer is C. Dark and tragic. Next one is the Duchess's courage contrasts most sharply with A. Julia's weakness, B. Bosola's hesitation, C. Ferdinand's cruelty, D. Antonio's passivity. Right answer is D. Antonio's passivity. Next one is what ultimately redeems Bosola's character? A. His confession, B. His revenge against the Cardinal and Ferdinand, C. His loyalty to Antonio, D. His death. Right answer is B. His revenge against the Cardinal and Ferdinand. Ferdinand. Next one is who comments on the moral chaos of the world at the end of the play? A. Ferdinand, B. Delio, C. Bosola, D. Julia. Right answer is B. Delio. Last question. The Duchess of Malfi is primarily a critique of A. Italian politics. B. Romantic ideals. C. Patriarchal power and moral corruption. C. Religious doctrine. Right answer is C. Patriarchal power and moral corruption. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope this video would be very helpful for you in your screening exam of assistant professor in June. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.